Beanque, world's first portable 3-in-1 coffee maker. Beanque conveniently gives you the flexibility to enjoy your coffee with its lightweight and portable design. It keeps the freshness and full flavor of the whole bean, taking back your time and easily brew when and where you want. Featuring ceramic burr elements in the grinding mechanism to dissipate the heat during the grinding process, preserving the coffee oil for a greater taste. Traditional coffee makers on the market, none of them offer you with the mobility to brew fresh coffee on the go. Offices are all about productivity, and productivity is all about coffee, which basically means automatic single-cup coffee machine makes a lot of sense. Beanque can be started easily with a single touch, and it will stop automatically after grinding. For outdoor coffee geeks, it's hard to make a cup of fresh coffee. With the versatility and portability, Beanque is an essential road trip coffee machine that fits your lifestyle. Beanque's built-in 1200 mAh battery holds a full charge for up to 20 times continuous use. Quick charging from the power bank, laptops, and car chargers via Type-C adapter.